Galai Potrik Ujulai Arajar Pursan Pli Menteri Rangba Kajela Konrad Ke Sangma Ya Kajaka Penmi Umso Kabajuti Paiba Kum ka PepsiCo Ha kane kesngi ulai tu bai gejinghe chongka kalalong hadu live new occurs kabala peniang Hanot Garo Hills Mendi Pathar Bat ya kajing lut kaban snai kane project hadu laispa sapo crores Bat ulaong ru ba kadai gejing kerku naga penta kilat yo kami yo jam ikun samla hapo kajela
This is rubber plant only. Huh? This is rubber plant. लगता है आपने मेरी बात सुनी सर. Nice. Thank you. हाँ कोई कपड़ा. Indian language यहाँ पे. Today we have inaugurated the Varun Beverages Pepsi plant here in Mendipathar in North Garo Hills, Meghalaya. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of RB Corp and Varun Beverages, Shri Ravi Jaipuria ji, and other board members, Mr. Varun Jaipuria and others, for having selected Mendipathar, North Garo Hills and Meghalaya to set up this particular unit of Pepsi and its products, the bottling unit right here. This is a 340 crore plant, and full investment of course has been done by the company, and this is the largest bottling plant in the entire Northeast, and almost all the products of Pepsi and additional products will be bottled and manufactured right here in this location, and this is a huge push towards the overall economic development of this region and the state as a whole. You may recall that this industrial area was, the land was donated in the 1990s, and since then it's been 35 years and no major industries have come up. So this is a great blessing for the people of this area, this region, and the state as a whole. And I'm sure that with investments like these, with the jobs that have been created, we expect more and more industries to come in and set up their factories out here. And we take this opportunity to invite them to come and set up their units here in Meghalaya. And we'll be happy to support them for the overall development, as I said, of the state, and also to provide employment opportunities for our youngsters. Thank you very much.